Hello folks, I'm Paul from Motorbiking and welcome to this video of our lovely BMW R1200GS TE. Now, this is the factory low model. It is a 2018 machine and it has covered 21,900 miles. Just 2 owners from new. It also has a really good service history. 7 stamps by BMW plus 1 independent dealer stamp. So very well maintained, very well spec'd out with the 3-piece luggage system. It's got the BMW Vario panniers as well as the large Givi alloy tracker top case. Now this is the last of these 1200s with the TFT display. Of course it's TE, so it's top spec, keyless ignition. As you can see, it also comes with the BMW Navigator sat-nav. Well, a very clean bike throughout. As I say, just 2 owners in that lovely black colour. Front end very much free of any significant stone chipping. You come further down and the front end again nice and clean and tidy with the spoked wheels. Looks smart, definitely suits the bike. And then the front engine cover is pretty good. Nice and clean there. I didn't mention the alloy radiator guards tucked away there nice and neatly. And then we come round to the right hand side. You've got the BMW crash bars, which have got some little marks on them, very minor, but I like to point these things out to you all. Exhaust downpipe, super clean, no tarnishing to report there. Further up, all the plastics, the panel work is in really good order. And we come further back, and again, so in the nooks and crannies, all nice and clean. On the original exhaust silencer, which is in good order, nice and clean in the rear shock area. And then we come further back to the rear wheel, and again, spoked wheels, clean and tidy in this area. You will pick holes if you're looking very hard. I'm sure it is an older bike. It's done 21,000 miles, but is very nice indeed. So to the left hand side, and once again the condition is really good. That pannier, no significant markings to that either. Final drive housing, all original finish, nice and clean in there. And we move further forward. A little bit of wear and tear as to be expected. Again, nice and clean in all the nooks and crannies. Again, original finish. No significant blistering or bubbling of the paint. There is some in areas, but nothing to worry about. Little mark to that crash bar. That's what they're there for. Front end again, nice and clean. And then to the bodywork. Again, nothing significant to point out here. All lovely, all original. And then just going over the top, no rips or tears to the seats. BMW tank protector. Top of the fuel tank is all very good. As are the controls, cockpit. Well, there you go. If that's of interest, do let us know. The telephone number is 01202 479 125. You can email me, paul@motorbiking.co.uk. If you've got a part exchange, do let us know. We'll certainly consider it. We also offer finance. Please visit our website. We've got a very useful finance calculator on the advert for this machine. But you're welcome to give us a call and discuss your options. I hope that video has helped, and thank you for watching.